Meaning of grand jury.
Grand jury.
Grand jury.
Grand jury.
Grand jury. A grand jury is a legal body that investigates potential criminal conduct and determines whether there is enough evidence to bring charges against an individual. Grand juries are typically composed of citizens who are appointed to serve for a set period of time and are tasked with hearing testimony from witnesses, reviewing documents and other evidence, and ultimately deciding whether to issue an indictment. If a grand jury determines that there is sufficient evidence to support a criminal charge, an indictment will be issued and the case will proceed to trial. Grand juries are an important component of the criminal justice system in many jurisdictions.